last day I was teaching out the societal marketing stage. There I have already explained that purpose of marketing is not only to work for earning profit, but to also it has to look after the interest of business, customer, as well as interest of society. So every business organization try to win the confidence of the people, public in the society by doing the welfare activities of the society, like creating healthy environment, controlling pollution, sanitation, free from congregation, the medical facility, development of medical facilities, development of educational institutions, and through that every business concern try to win the confidence of public. So all these activities are done by the business concerns, and this is activity which is done at this stage of marketing is also known as concept or philosophy of marketing. Philosophy of marketing. So now you have to understand the role of marketing. Marketing is playing very vital role in the life of a business, because that's why it is known as the marketing is known as the eyes of business and the ears of business, because it is marketing which do everything for the purpose of earning profit. How it is helpful in generation of profit? For generation of profit, the sales is required, and for the purpose of sales, the customers are needed. So marketing is concerned with creation of customers. When marketing creates customers to satisfy the need of the customers, the goods which are produced, that is brought in the market and sold to the customers, and through that customer creation, the sales turnover increases, and through increasing sales turnover the profit is maximized. So this way marketing is also said as a nervous system of the all business activities, because the marketing activities are concerned with the rest of the activities of the business organization. It is marketing which provide opportunity for working on all the departments of the business. Marketing collects knowledge and information from the market through marketing research. Based on those knowledge and information, the knowledge and informations are processed, and that processing is changed in form of goods and services. So when goods and services are produced, the several departments of a business organization like finance, production, purchase, and other departments, all they are working in coordination with one another, and through that the business concern runs or works. That's why it's said as marketing is the nervous system of the business concern. Means it controls the activities and provide opportunity for working of all the departments of the business concerns. Here you have to understand that marketing is providing opportunity for production of goods and services, because through marketing only the opportunities are created, and for those opportunities the goods and services which are required to be consumed, these are produced by the business concerns. Marketing is, is very important for the business organizations, and no business organization can run without marketing activities. The marketing is important at macro level. Macro level means at large scale, general level. The marketing contributes to the economic and social development of the nation in certain ways. Means it is said that marketing is playing very important role at macro level, and it is providing opportunity for the attainment of all economic and social developmental activities for nation in certain ways. So these as I have already explained that marketing is very important at macro level, like development of nation and the society. So it is contributing for development of nation and society in certain way. First, improving real income of the people. Marketing provide opportunity for making goods and services available in the market at very competitive rate, and due to that with the same income of the people are in position to buy more goods. So this way real income of the people improves, because with the same income the purchasing power of the people increases. Even the people are able to satisfy their needs, and they are able to save their income. Okay, so this way the saving of their income or increase in their income increase the national income. Second one is the contribution of marketing. Marketing is playing very important role towards creation of national income and wealth, because through the marketing activities the opportunities are created for utilization of the resources. The maximum or best possible use of natural and national resources are done, and this way the untapped resources, means resources which are lying unused, those resources are utilized, and through utilization of those resources the further production opportunities are created. More production, the more generation of income and more creation of revenue. So this way by contribution of marketing, national income and wealth is generated. The next one is generation of employment. Marketing is very important, playing very important role in generation of employment. It is marketing which is providing opportunity for production of different types of goods and services, because marketing is collecting information from the market regarding the needs, requirement of the people. According to taste and choice of the people, the goods are produced. So this way the large scale production possibilities are there, and due to large scale production possibilities, more production, more formation of industries, more generation of employment. On the other way, marketing itself is providing large scale opportunity of employment, because several activities are there which are concerned to marketing. These are performed, like marketing research, then survey, team of sales personnel. Other than that, so many other activities are there, like advertising. Several number of persons are getting opportunity for work due to marketing, and this way we can say that marketing is helpful in generation of employment. Finally, the people from society, they are getting employment opportunity due to marketing. The marketing is also playing very important role in improving living standard of the people. Through the marketing, the different type of goods and services which are produced in the business concerns, knowledge and information about those goods and services are provided to the people. So people are coming to know about the availability of the different types of goods and services which are produced, and they are getting opportunity for consumption. And the other way also, when the marketing is providing information, marketing provide opportunity to produce goods at large scale. Due to that, the cost of production is reduced. When cost of production is reduced, then the goods are supplied at cheaper price in the market. And when goods are supplied at cheaper price in the market, with the same purchasing power, the people can purchase more goods or more quantity of the goods, or you can say the different variety of the goods. Their consumption increases. That helps in improvement of their living standard. Development of entrepreneurial and managerial skills, especially for the developing countries, marketing is playing very important role in development of these underdeveloped and developing countries, because there the resources which are lying unused, those resources are utilized. Other than that, the different sectors are there where the developments are required, like power, irrigation, agricultural produce. So in those fields, marketing is playing very important role. So when marketing creates opportunity, marketing also provides opportunity for growth and development of entrepreneurship and managerial talents, because when the opportunities are there, the people are ready to take the risk, and they courage to develop the different types of organization. The managerial skills are developed when the people are getting opportunity to work, and when they work, they face the problems, they learn new experiences from their work, and this way they develop their managerial talents. Elimination of social evils, it is also important. Marketing is not only important for the production, related to production of goods and the marketing of the goods only for the economic purpose, even the non-economic purpose also, means the different type of evils are there, superstitions are there which are prevailing in the society. Marketing helps in eradication or removal of those evils from the society, like dowry system, okay, the excessive population, the superstitions are there of the people in the society. So all these things are removed by marketing through the campaigns, through the different types of activities like nukkad, natak, slogans and other things are there. So through that the people are taught, and these type of evils which are prevailing in the society, these are removed. So this way, role of marketing is very important at macro level. Okay, so next video I will teach you about the product and services, meaning and nature of product and services. So you will see rest of the things in the next video.